So with a busy lifestyle, it can be really hard to find time to spend in the garden. And if you want a lush green lawn like this, mowing could be out of the question. But I might have the solution for you. Meet Ozbreed Zen Grass Zoysia, a unique Australian lawn alternative that's designed to be incredibly low maintenance. In fact, once it's established, it may only need mowing once or twice a year. But as well as using it as a lawn, you can use this in a Japanese-style garden as a moss alternative. Planted amongst rocks or stepping stones, you get the beautiful undulations and waviness that you would find in a Japanese-style garden. It spreads quickly to cover the ground too, making it a great option for replacing traditional turf or filling large garden areas. This plant is incredibly tough and adaptable. It can handle drought, frost, shady spots, and even moderate foot traffic. And it has also survived significant flooding in New South Wales. So if you're after a softer, more natural grass that requires a lot less maintenance, Ozbreed Zen Grass Zoysia could be the answer for you. Less fuss, a lot less mowing, but you'll also get that beautiful Japanese aesthetic in your garden.